holds it that way? Oh, he's doing it. He's doing it. No. Oh. You're trying to bring that on yourself?
That's how I got a bad back.
Oh yeah, he grabbed his back right after he did that. He's dragging it away. Now he's putting it by the exhaust. It took him 3 tries to grab it.
Are you making fun of him? He did it.
What an amazing person.
You know, like we were just saying, the only way to learn is do it.
God damn, he's so strong.
We're gonna make him the compressor guy.
Ooh, who's that big boy?
Big strong man.
Who's that big strong man?
Lifting up that compressor, big strong roofer boy.
Big strong roofer boy. And then going. The big reveal. Hey, we didn't have to fucking pull it 1,000 times today. Get up there. Remember, you guys, you don't have to be great. It's right to be okay too.